Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about Experiment 8, Viva Questions on Draw the Sections of Solids. Let us see the question number 1. What is the purpose of a sectional view? The answer is a sectional view is used to technical drawings to show the interior details of an object that may not be visible in a standard exterior view. By cutting through the object along a chosen plane, a sectional view reveals the hidden features such as internal cavities, holes, ribs, and other design elements. Question number 2. What does hatching or cross hatching in a sectional view represent? The answer is hatching or cross hatching in a sectional view represents the material that has been cut through by section plane. It visually differentiates the solid portions of the object from the empty spaces, cavities, or holes. In normal drawing or AutoCAD drawing, we can represent with hatching lines. That line makes 45 degrees with horizontal line, and we need to give the space between any two lines, that is 1 to 2 mm uniformly. Question number 3. A cutting plane perpendicular to the VP is shown as a line in the dash view. The answer is front view. You can see this image. Here I have taken this triangular prism. This solid is makes inclination with vertical plane and parallel to HP. Here I have taken one sectional plane. This is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to HP. In this case, we can see the front view only. Sectional plane is appear like only one straight line. In the top view, it is appear like true shape. In the question, he is asking that a cutting plane is perpendicular to VP is shown as a line in only front view. Question number 4. If a solid is cut by a cutting plane parallel to the base of the solid and top part is removed, the remaining part is called. The answer is frustum. You can see these images. Here the first solid is cone, second one square pyramid, third one pentagonal pyramid, fourth one is hexagonal pyramid. When you take one cutting plane that is parallel to the base of the solid and top part is removed, the remaining part is called frustum. If, for example, you can take cutting plane that plane is not parallel to the base, that is inclined to horizontal line. When the top part is removed, the remaining part is called truncated solid. But in the given question, he is asking that the cutting plane is parallel to the base, so the answer is frustum. Question number 5. Draw the representation of a sectional plane. The answer is thick, thin, and thick lines. You can see the few more images. The first one indicates the section plane. This is a parallel cutting plane. Outside the object, we can represent as thick lines. Inside the object, we can represent the thin lines. This is similar like axis line. You can see the second one, section plane inclined to the horizontal plane. You can see the third one, fourth one. Question number 6. If the section plane is dashed to the HP, the cut surface obtained in the top view itself is the true shape of the section. The answer is parallel. You can see this image. Here I have taken pentagonal pyramid. Here the section plane is parallel to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. We can see the top view, that means true shape only in the plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. The answer is parallel. You can also see this orthographical view. Section plane is VT. This is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to XY or horizontal plane. We can see the true shape only in the top view. In the front view, it is appear like one horizontal line. Question number 7. A section plane is parallel to a VP. The top view gives dash, which is dash to XY line. The first fill in the blank is line and second fill in the blank is parallel. Already explained the previous question. You can see this cube model. Here I have taken one more section plane. This section plane is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. In this case, the section plane is the section plane top view gives only line. You can see this image. HT is the section plane. We can see it is appear like one horizontal line in the top view, and in the front view it is appear like it gives the true shape. So the a section plane is parallel to VP and the top view gives line which is parallel to XY line. You can see here this HT is parallel to XY or parallel to VP. Question number 8. If the sectional plane is parallel to the HP, then dash view will show the true shape of the section. The answer is top view. Okay, already explained the previous questions. You can see this image. Same here also I have taken pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid. If the section plane is parallel to HP, in this case, top view will show the true shape of the section. See here. The section plane appears in the only top view. In the front view, it is appear like that is line VT. Next question. If a section is perpendicular to both the reference planes, the true shape is obtained by taking the projection of the section onto that dash plane. This type of question already discussed in the projection of planes. When the section plane is perpendicular to both HP and VP, in both cases the section plane is appear like line, but the true shape is appear on the auxiliary plane. This is the new reference plane. This the plane is perpendicular to both the reference planes. We can also call it profile plane. If a section plane is perpendicular to both the reference plane, that is horizontal plane and vertical plane, the true shape is obtained by taking the projection of section onto that is only in the side view. So the answer is auxiliary plane. Question number 10. This is a question is already repeated. What does hatching or cross hatching in a sectional view represent? Hatching or cross hatching in a sectional view represents the material that has been cut through a by section plane. It visually differentiates the solid portions of the object from the empty spaces, cavities or holes. Okay, this question is already repeated. Okay, this is the regarding this is the discussion about Viva questions on experiment number 8, draw the section of solids. In the next video, we will discussing about experiment number 9 Viva questions, that is orthographic projections. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. And also share to your near and dear friends. For watching more videos, you can go to the playlist.